Today's home is located in Rocklin, a highly sought after area to live in, and for good reason. Close to all the amenities, fun activities, plus you're only 30 minutes from Sacramento or Folsom Lake, and an hour and a half from the ski resorts. Welcome to the Spring Valley neighborhood, a newer woodside home development in Rocklin. 1316 Orchid Drive, a 2,500 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with an amazing open floor plan, and it backs up to the greenbelt. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by natural light and beautiful spaces. From the front door, you have this expansive living room. Then this kitchen with this awesome island, perfect for entertaining. Dining area, and all of this has the backdrop of these windows looking out to nature. Towards the front of the house, we have a full bath and this guest bedroom or office combo. Upstairs, you have your laundry room with an attached storage and hang drying area. On the other side, we have 2 large bedrooms and a Jack and Jill configuration bathroom. Now for the best part of the house, the primary retreat. Serene, relaxing, and peaceful. Plus it's private with no neighbors, just greenbelt. As if the bedroom wasn't relaxing enough, look at this stunning bathroom. Separate sinks, this soaking tub, oversized shower, and this massive walk-in closet. So the house sits on a 3,400 square foot lot, which gives it a smaller yard, but it's set up just right for barbecuing or sitting by the fire with friends. The greenbelt actually has a seasonal creek that runs about half the year, so you can sit in your backyard and watch all the wildlife. If you're looking for convenience and relaxation, call me today for a tour.